I'm going to show you how to create an avatar on Instagram. Instagram avatars allow you to design a personalized, animated version of yourself, and you can use them in stories, messages, and even comments. This is a fun and creative way to express yourself. Let's get started. Before we dive into the creation process, let's quickly cover what an Instagram avatar is. Instagram avatars are customizable digital representations of yourself. They are similar to Bitmoji or Apple's Memoji and can be used in various parts of the app, such as stickers, stories, and more. Once you create your avatar, Instagram will generate different expressions and stickers for you, which can be shared in your Instagram stories, comments, and direct messages. These avatars are all about personalization, allowing you to choose from different facial features, outfits, hairstyles, and accessories. Now that you know what an avatar is, let's walk through the steps to create your own. Creating your avatar on Instagram is a simple process. Follow these steps to get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see an option labeled Edit Profile just below your bio and profile picture. Tap on Edit Profile to access the settings where you can change your personal details. At the top of the screen, you'll see your current profile photo along with the words Edit Picture or Avatar. Tap on this option. On the new pop-up you see on the screen, you will see two sections. One is the picture you can change, and the second one is the avatar. Tap the second option. Tap Create Avatar. You can now create an avatar by taking a selfie or creating a manual avatar. Let's try the selfie feature. You will receive some instructions on how you can stay for Instagram to see you. Now Instagram will try to create an avatar by your picture. Do not worry if you do not like the avatar, as you will be able to manually change it. Select the body shape, tap on Save and Continue. Once you're in the avatar creation screen, you'll see your avatar and you are ready to be customized. Start with the face shape, skin tone, and hairstyle. You can choose from a variety of facial features like eyes, eyebrows, nose, and mouth. Simply tap on the feature you want to change, and you'll see multiple options to choose from. After the facial features are done, move on to hairstyles. Instagram offers a wide range of hairstyles from long to short, curly to straight, and even options for facial hair. Once your face and hair are complete, you can also customize your body type and select outfits that match your style. Instagram provides different wardrobe options, including casual wear, business attire, and even fun, seasonal costumes. Add the finishing touches by selecting accessories like glasses, hats, and earrings. You can also adjust the color of each accessory to fit your overall look. Instagram even allows you to add details like makeup, facial marks, such as freckles or birthmarks, and more to make your avatar look just like you. Once you've finished designing your avatar, here's how to finalize it. After you're satisfied with the look of your avatar, Instagram will let you preview how your avatar looks with different expressions and poses. This preview helps you get a good idea of how your avatar will appear in stickers and stories. Once you're happy with the avatar, tap the Save button. Your avatar is now saved and ready to use across the app. Instagram will automatically generate a set of avatar stickers featuring your new creation, and you can use these stickers in your stories, DMs, and comments. Don't worry if you want to change your avatar later on. You can always edit or update it by going to the Edit Profile section. And that's how you create an avatar on Instagram. It's a super fun and easy way to personalize your profile, make your stories and comments stand out, and express yourself in a new way. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.